April 2nd card opening here at home. Got a blaster for you guys to open. First, I mentioned I opened the Topps Heritage, which comes with a some sort of card. I got a old card, a Ken Tatum Red Sox pitcher back in '73. The stamp, so we'll get that sleeved. It's in pretty good condition for just sitting there randomly in the card box. Not a PSA 10, but not much is. 2013. We're slowly working our way through this. I think we're nearing the end now. Had to put a new box in our theme. Tim Hudson. There's Trevor Bauer. Josh Reddick. Is Josh Reddick one of these great catches? No. That's the gimmick of this year. One is Pies in the Faces. And we're drawing Case Kelly. Aaron Crow. Wade Davis. Daniel Murphy. Adrian Gonzalez. Great catches, pie in the face, a bunch of gimmicky cred that they pulled. 2021 Stadium Club. I pulled one of the great catches out of there, but now I see a catch that looks significant. I'm worried that I'm missing something. Devin Williams, Paul DeYoung, Reese Hawkins Red, Jonathan Heim, and Max Fried. You have DeGrom's out for a significant time. You have Mad Max got some sort of tightness in his throwing arm. The Mets rotation's been wrecked. DeGrom was out all last season with the same tightness. Had the off season and gets tight immediately when the game plays again. Castellanos. There's a Loris, Mickey Moniak, Whit Merrifield. A lot of rookies there. Let's see any deficits or variations there. Archives. We pulled both autos from this. We're hoping for something in addition. Willie Castro. That disappointed me. Francisco Lindor, Tim Anderson, Bart Schmidt, Dylan Carlson, Tatis, Luis Castillo, and Dale Murphy. Still gets on a lot of products. This year's Heritage. That's the first rookie, another New Age performer. Got a fat pack. Series 2, these pop up there so often. I get them once a month in the Gab subscription box, so that's why this is what he keeps sending us, Series 2, which have yet to pull the Luis Robert on here, but not the end of the world, I guess. We got a rookie. Suarez. Bo Jackson. A random Pete Alonso. Ichiro. Yamamoto. Jensen. Turnbull. Jose Ramirez. And Jason Hayward. Not too much to get excited in that fat pack. Which is unfortunate. Hi, Blaster. We're doing an update. Still, I haven't put any number cards in here. I think it's only a 100 card set. So this is the last set I wanted to put together. The purples are nice. Kelenic is not looking good still. Manoah. He appears at the summoning. I wish it's good. I pulled his auto, numbered auto for him a little bit ago. And has some nice rookie cards of him. Ted Wells, Josh Bell, Chris Taylor, Alec Bohm. Debbie Garcia, Brad Hand, Rosario, Chuck Peterson, Debbie Garcia. Oh, rookie debuts are in the back. This one's got a stupid lip hanging on. Anthony Stillman, Chris Rodriguez rookie, and Sam Huff, right? Yep, Sam Huff. I'll try to open. You can't easily see. Steve Matz, Jazz Chisholm purple, William McCovey 70s, and Nick Madrigal of the Cubs. Casey Mize, purple, Clayton Kershaw, black gold, Tracy Jimenez. Mateo Lynch. We got an auto. Brent Honeywell Jr., rookie auto. That's a nice, little ironic, but nice. Unnumbered. I have not been looking to see what he's doing on training. What were the autos? Chrome autographs, 1 in 72 packs. You got 10 packs, so you gotta get 1 in 8 boxes. It's not bad. Especially when you gotta consider the odds are, you're buying these boxes individually, not like a case, so your odds are pretty spread out. Blue Damas, Celestino, Shohei Prism. Two more cards left. Ron Hayes, Hermit, Pujols, purple and blue. He's back in the Reds. Colton Wong. And last pack. I think we need Magic. We did fairly good. Shane Cullen, Andrew Vaughn, Jared Kelenic purple. Yeah, we did pretty good. So I talked bad about him. He decided to visit me twice. Both the first and last one. It's a debut. But 2 Kelenics, Vaughn, I mean overall, and then the highlight probably being the Brett Honeywell refractor auto. And this is the stack of the rookies. Pretty good. And this is the stack of the non-rookies, which is definitely smaller. With Shohei being probably the next best non-rookie. There. Anyway, that's all for today. Y'all take care.